Reure. Communal coexistence. Yes.
That's a heavy one.
Yes. Natene wa igwato githomari ni kwa ino horo cio wa intercommunal coexistence na interclan hostility
and wars.
Yes. Well, wars ithu tinakorera.
Twaithoma.
Twakorera kwa war yatuika cool. Yes. Hema tukomehoi. When there was the social family fabric. Yes. You see, there is a policy, I don't know whether they still do it in Tanzania. Ilikuwa inaitwa ujamaa.
Ujamaa.
Yes.
Direciria uri okuo.
Where I think almost everyone owned everything. Yes. Na ujamaa ucio ri kwindo na rugongo rari kuo. Wakoraga riu mucio uyu ri ndungihota mugunda wina kiria kibatie kumaho.
Kindu kingi mahunia nima.
They would either go through the head office. Yes. Mathie ruhonge. The head office. Morie rutha rwa gutua kindu kiria kimundo ri.
Kindu ki mugunda.
Yes.
Tondu ukonania ikoro matituite ri. Matikiagite gia kuria.
It is true. Na rimwe ni wakora ri numu amenyerana muno na mwaingirana. You did not have to beg for permission.
Yes.
Gutua gitunguru. Yes.
Ai no era go tathikwa maituguo mukurui.
Na ni kwari capping ya indo irio gitua without permission.
Tisio the nige.
Ni gitunguru othiete muno thukuma na ti ogethe.
Tikoge kwegurania kugetha na gutua.
You see, even the children back then were responsible minded. Tondu ni wera go no thio tue cia gutuiga
cia gutuigana.
Ugia thiro ne nda yaku na ngaragu ri
na mukoroko waku.
Yes. Ni othio tue a reasonable.
Na ndi ukona haki ukowe mundu na wina uge wake.
Yes.
Umenye ni githimo kingi muigana ni kiriku.
Exactly. Ina ni mwacoka rucio mweri 40. Na ndirona mundu kienda ndirarigwa atiriri. Iyuri ari ni wanjira ri ndirona kirugamo kiu ni kia muci uyu nini ndiratumite waire mai ndirauga tondu riu thuku macito ni wamenya ni ciakireire kugwata tutiekiria ngima ki
ngima mukavu.
Yes.
Na turia turatigarite hau nao ng'ombe ya waigwere iriga gutua igitugethera tuothe
ndi niwe kugia muruki no giatumirwo tuta-ini ucio ri do not touch the spinach.
No.
Don't do assorted vegetables.
Go for the hard one.
It will be perennial idiocy.
Otia divineji.
Umunye divineji yako roho ya rukengerwe muciuru.
Mucio cio.
Ya guikirio kiria. Waru-ini na irigo-ini.
Go for chaos.
Yes. And if you have to go for spinach, do a maximum of 3. So the spinach nacio ni ciamenyekaga muno no ciumite thio.
Iyo ni muno.
No ndocio ni waguithagia the diplomatic tritis. No waguithagia bilateral agreements. Mokire mwe indo ciene mwatamberera nginya their luxury goods. Na thukuma icio tio tue iria cirurite. You are a beggar.
Kungihoteka ri.
Yes.
Ni wethe iru iria ci hakuhe bunjika.
Yes. Iri ambete kati irumitwo ni catworm. Yota wate kana gathiago.
Iyo nume.
Ni ngunga. Ume ocio. You go and handle them. Yes. Ndio ugethete top player.
Wabe uririkana icio ti indo cianyu.
Ti cianyu.
Icio ni indo ciene.
Inyu muhetwo kiwetagwo riri. Aliwe.
Na liwe ti nene.
Yes. And the peace treaty can be broken within one incident.
Iwe tu bokora rothie nginya ndani ya ini.
Yes. ona he ndo nyokwa kia kuonia na kwa menye were uno arara bara ukita na karati thana na mutina gara wa visi
you are a soft thief.
Yes. When ni wakeria wahe githuri wari ake
keinie ne wathi muno.
Those treaties would last as long as decorum and discipline was
observed.
Because it would be what do you call this, mutual. Yes. Nwera go you call it bebe iri to suse kawaidi mukare
ke ha
yo kwa ngedo kohora isi na rucio kari kana kumwena ntore kiri atia
ni turaunire
matigagecie ni nyamu ciake
cia githaka kana aici
why kohora. But there would only be one incident. The whole Soviet Union
would collapse.
And it would be the advent of the Cold
War.
Yes. Otometo weto nwamenyerire ri ugakuwa kavisisi I know people would plant cabbages very systematically. Kwa geheria
is glaring,
very glaring. Ni mkuda pengo
na rege ginya nesia kwendia
uthiete kwa mundu uguo na ni muhetwo liwe ya ita all access yote ni guthia ginya mukehe ithanwa kwao
ginya matare kuo
ucoke uthio tue matunda ma thakame na ni momendagia sande
ni mokitega uchumi kiao
ucoke matue. You are abusing privilege. Na mwana umwe ni atuma family igiri menane permanently. Waje andu hathiaga wakwa ni mwamenyerana muno muyuka gwithita ngari uhoro ucio ugatuika now this is
unacceptable.
Yes. Muoka rucini wa Maria mukireo kuo yatronie gwatuka muno turarigo andu ano mariuka turakiuga tukame kune gothie muno
riu moigira thebo-ini ciao
no manya ng'ombe yao ti ati nere iria ringi micina just around a cup or two
ne ya 15 igiri kana ithatu
kwaje mugi akinyire gwetahira indo ta sukari guthie muno ndwire ube ni na ndaro nake
na igutha.
Yes. You had to exercise a lot of restraint
and caution.
Wathie tuta-ini wabe observe. Yes.
Nili kuihana tetari tio for the top cream.
Yeah.
No. You go for the low grade.
Unani waya all access. Tero kamenya kwa gutire muhembe. Na family should take a tripartite agreement. They have a treaty. The Nile Treaty. Yes. Ni muiguaneire. Mukero no mutue maembe ki. Maiga no
na
wena ogini ni waku oinainie.
Foolish. Shans
Perennial idiot. Warmonger.
Oinainie mwembe.
Mabe hauna waiu wako heri na wendo ucio waku. And sometimes that conflict would become generational. Ando atotuire tumahuna yao. Ai kiurauga we.
Mukimenyera muno.
Yes. Na docio ni ongera hire thina kwanja kuria gukoragwo needy. Tondu one wako andu acio ri ni menjete githima. And there was a very definite path mwatigeirwo ya ku access
githima kiao.
Yes. Na docio ndoko pronounce muonaga haria mwageraga ri ni ha guthwo sengenge ni ng'ombe.
Ukamenya the union has collapsed.
The Soviet Union is no more.
and they have put a wall.
There is a Brexit.
Mwahingirwo njira ri.
Nekwirwo atiriri.
We are done with you.
We are done with you. Dig your own well.
Mwikarie.
Yes.
Watu akafisi.
Ugaciagira njege yake.
Iko vina mefta wadu.
No kagucia karati.
Karati. That is going for luxury.
Noi, kwacho wabe okarie igire. Wewe waigira leo, you know, luxury goods. Wewe tu arodi kuenegi eno. Oh, you are having.
No ashoko karehe conflict.
Yeah.
Bara. Mweke rorogiri mwena wanyu ri. Kanyuma ya kuu ni kanyanga.
Yes. Kamanya he. Andu acio kane mararakari.
No gikaranga kuu ringi, you be treated as trespass.
It's trespass, or it is external aggression.
Jima mothi tariki 2 mweri wa kanana.
Oh yes. Advertising. You know, advertising runs a huge economy.
Huge in the world.
Naona huko kama mimi ngakayo kama muigiri. Turi hagwoneke.
Advertising.
Nikyo igwa twatithia tukagoreke turi heke.
Mbiro 2-3.
Yes. Ona chuito bangaga. Waito kanunga getunguru.
Yeni
na mithenya agagira tukarunungia ginya kindu wetwo kangauthi. Na gariki. Gariki andu ingi mamiri na Nairobi. Ndikyo to kitungu saumu to atia.
Garlic eta
tikitungu saumu.
Nio saumu.
Nio saumu. Garlic andu ingi maria moka kundu kuruku.
Makuranga na mundu ajia kuonera ciringi ciake.
Yes.
Back then it was not
actually even bulb onions. Isi cia kiria.
Kigitao kia ngwaci.
Hiyo atwagitanagia na kindu vile.
You know, riu kiu nikyo kindu kiraikuhaniririe kuhanana.
Yes.
Ki mugunda.
Ti andu aingi mekinyagiria gitunguru kiu kia ngwaci. Tondu muno kiaguragwo thoko.
Yes.
Cia mahuti andu hagi ya tuta.
Kia mahuti ni mukuhanda hau.
No na wega kia mahuti na mungianyihirie nyeni. No ingihagia gitungu. Advertising. You know, advertising is a psychological appeal to buying motives. We kodra kwereria thimu ino ri. Heyo ria muthoni agiuka kwaririe. Umiende gukira ria nie ndagutare.
Wandariria.
Yes. No goro advertising ri. Rugongo ndunajia tene kuyukio wega. It was there, but very rare. Ashona mundu wa revolutionize kindu wetwa advertising rugongo is none other than the founder of this great station.
Yes.
Yes. Wetwa Madam Ruske Mother.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Na Regional Reach.
Regional Reach Limited. Aria maigite ma television ndonyune cia icagi-ini.
Ocio ni ahingurire icagi na njira nene.
No, that was someone should give her an award.
Ona ni abatie kuheo Oscar hidio.
Ona tiga Oscar cieto OGW.
Yes.
Yes.
Ni ahingurire icagi kundu kwari nduma.
It was a brand new concept. Gutiari advertisement rugongo. Kwa uthagirwo kindu getagwo local influencer. And the word of
mouth.
We were almost using smoke signals.
No, many word of mouth could be distorted.
Very distorted, heavily, because again, there was no manuscript. Yes.
Na higo gerera shube.
Yes. There was one local lad, akona gikero gia kanua. Oyo no are influencer. Oyo no are dibu. Wa gotangathira andu. Yes. Ewa.
Ibura benyithia. Kuri na nyama ya kimandi. Wese ni wali titi. Niguthinjo 11
akaroria mwena uyu and they used to be masters of the wind we yondo ngihutu kahoro othe othie njumbi nayo tio ta
ko tigwo ko intenda ukinyia ndomiriri
is not the target audience. So he had to listen to the wind wahorera akamenya gikiruge kero you take advantage position
agathi hando iguru.
Yes.
Nimuramenyithio nĩ mũjumbe wanyu mwendete JJ Kamotho
tukamwendera ku
nimũraririkania kwĩna monanio ma kĩrĩmo
okay so ground ya maragwa
gakoigo monanio marĩmi gakoigo
ground gakoigo hamwe na mangĩ rĩu hekuo na maprofesa
na nyengece
aruta kambare
oro hau munyiro kaine tukaugeta watia
kariku
keo kainaga some chakacha with a very sharp voice
nani huyo
kayetu kainaga chakacha andu aje ikeye makoi keo kaina mama nakusihi tafadhali usinikataze chakacha. So those were the advertising agents. Yes.
And platforms.
Yes. Ocio no wale reu arikio modi. Chef Gathemba. Nio manyaga iaskoni. Ndio. Billboard rogori. Icio nĩcio cioka thutha muno.
Billboard.
Yes.
Billboard.
No, billboards were in major towns. Na no billboard cia tene ni nigetha muthoni mabe manyite undu kuonduri citiare ici cia canvas
acha
ciare ifati so you would employ an artist to draw the message.
Was too much work.
Gochora toriu he muthuri wacorire bagiti ya muharia kangi manga mieri etatu akiaje andu moragia eniki no no twaranagia karodie kahana ingene mawenja
acorire bagiti mieri etatu
you know it's a very big gigantic painting. Yes riu andu mora hii niki aracora mukona kinyia hau hii niki riu andu mokire ha andikire ritwa omo riu andu maugire
ni omo.
Yes nacora ni angiacokire ikarapi
nacio ni ciaikaraga icio itiheraga frequently.
Yes actually billboard nyingiri iria twa rugongori they were government sponsored. Yes through the area awareness on HIV and AIDS yenda ukigore auga tondu it was very profiling.
The message was very
it was what do you call this stigmatization. Yes icio nĩcio ona haria Nyeri mukuru-ini haria Kianda Murang'a Kianda
hariwe yari haria kangi maigoti-ini.
Yes
na nĩ yaikara hau mĩaka mĩingĩ.
Never mind nĩ ekira andu guoya wa mũrimũ
no nĩ atuma tumenya nĩ kũrĩ.
Yes it used to be very effective. Billboard ati umuthi nginya Kiamara nĩ harĩ billboard maundu mau ona nikio oka Nairobi ukahigwo uru muno ni guthii urorete ki
urorete iguru
because you have never seen anything that big.
Yes and colorful.
Ukona ati riu kamwana karia kanyitite blue band ukona gira nyitira ini
riu urona tari ko gaka
na ni kamurike ukarigwe kaitwe kundu gwitagwo Columbia wathio etio
nginya ukahingwo.
You see when you have never seen a high rise building utie kindu kiraihu kwanyu everything is at high level
kindu kiraihu no miti.
Yes and they are not wow ndio kimenyerete riu ni nyumba oroni wacho ukona matama batar Kwaja kwe balbu ciekirago muthigiti wa Koia. Ndie kana ucikorereire.
Koja. Have I met them?
There is a time during their festivals they would literally use bulb iria cia watigana. They had probably 1,000 cia thiuruka kanitha ucio wothe.
Muthigiti.
Yes, muthigiti sorry. Wa Koia.
Ndona Koja.
They had so many of them. Rĩu umĩte na gĩcagi wendo nĩ wona thitima ĩmwe.
Ucio ũkĩ ũkũrĩ gũkũ ihana mwĩre.
You would think it's a galaxy. Ruogo gũtiarĩ advertising. Outdoor.
Outdoor advertising
yes.
was very minimal.
And the original reach yokari. Andũ na nĩ matĩraga kũrĩa sapa. Mone tausi.
Yes.
Wanjiru wacege magĩthaka tausi.
Ini.
Na hau gatagatĩrĩ ĩkĩrwo kĩmenyithia kĩa Omo. Yes.
Ona keji yako ibrandetwo Omo.
Yes. And you see, it would not be put in a struggling shop.
Asa.
Na.
Hihi ni agirwo handu we.
Either bushire gwete. Na nduka general. Na mwene general ni agira yado kuranga faranga.
Imuonagĩra kũu.
Imuonera tĩri-inĩ. There was no comfort muikare. Imwirorere. Mukule Jackie Chan. Uriria tu kweke zie. Ukare Omo.
New Blue Omo hung'arisha na huonyesha wazi. Je, nguo zako zina madoadoa sugu? Je, watoto wakicheza nguo ukataa kung'ara? Sasa New Blue Omo ambayo iko na power form.
Hori advertising na gahedio na ona kambuni cia advertiser gari.
Yes.
Matiatwaraga merchandise rũgongo.
Hapana. Aje kware Omo na maguta mangĩ magagia andũ mũno metagwo Tire Deep Frying Fat. Kwenda muthuru wa ate Tire Deep Frying Fat.
Maguta matili.
Kwenda mwa ya TV ogwo. Uko na maguta maria marumwo. Wamenya kwanyu mageragwo iguru ogwo. Uyu aruma na aferekia giciko. Ndu ona mutia koretwo muona thuburia theru githe. Thuburia yana. Irahenia. Ona mu ogora yo kana ido vire. Ogora tire. Yes. Advertising is powerful.
Gwicoka rugu kathabuni wa live boy.
Yes.
Ndwathire muno rugongo so ndwarira hivi.
But they did heavy advertising.
Yes.
Ndonyo ini cia icagi.
Muno that was very heavy. Yes. Thabuni wa live boy na thabuni wa jamaa.
Live boy ona ni ma sponsete tawarire ya githingithia na njaramba.
No yetagwo did it have a name? Agano kwajia aja.
That segment.
Wa hiomo getwa kwa gwikogwo i. Kwa hokwa. Yoko haichinde to. John is around right ali. Dakiugira mayoke mona merozi. Kwa kurio. Ujoni kuwa. I will tell you.
Advertising has actually revolutionized a lot.
Ruogo, you even have companies in Ruogo that have influencers that they pay. Yes. Tene Ruogo advertising. And it is no wonder we actually used to sing along to advertisement.
Yes.
You would say them. You recite them literally. Yes. Muthuri wa kwerugereza fashimane nitamato majogu. Ni mbogo ya gumu sana.
Anyway.
Kwa wiki ndo kia giado ni advertisement ya Ford ya mwana. Ya Johnson and
Ford
muna kan sekete ma. Wai kana kanyu gya githwaine ya kiriati.
Ai toko ya nagia ndora.
Na tire kago do founder na kya guthane ruku.
Kana jichanganya na dunia.
Na unfortunately ale tutahuthirirwo founder ri. Twacoka kumihuthira puru-ini. Reke twiguthaa bota tondu ni twahetũkirwo
kaundu ga kuhuthirirwo founder.
Tuna mwaitirio founder. Koguo hindi gutiari diaper. Koguo
na fi.
Kana gathekete ma. Ukarigwo kai kanyu kari ka wild animal. Tondu gathamba yo ndagika igire kana mbuko. There was a time in history, one of the millennials when they were young, because we are agile millennials, you would have a trajectory of life that was very defined. Yes. Na kaundu kau nigacenjetie over time. Andu ni mahingukite meciria na makagia kindu gitagwo curiosity na ambition. Tena ndugakora mundu ni acomagira nursery hao. Nibio chio primary hao. Theko hao. Akaikania oku. Kana akaika oku
kwao.
Na agatura kundu kuriku.
Agatura oku.
Yes.
Na maisha magathie na mbere.
Yes. Thiko icio ne maumagaria na makianda andu.
Makianda anduka.
Yes. No igua nginya andu ati maumire na guku uguo ndunyu ya cege. Makoragwo mpeketoni.
Yes.
Yes. Andu ne maumire na guku uguo nyangiti. Riu mathukumagira kienjavi. Yes.
Kana meke mana roito gito.
Yes. Nikuo marari ma bebe. Yes. Na nikio wakoraga riri tugithoma. It was very rare. Kuigua ati murutwo ni ara transfer ire.
It was very rare.
You know, transfer icio ciokire riri. Haha academy cia kinyire rugongo. Yes. Academy cia kinyire rugongo ri. Hau ni mwamenya atiri. Atukwangi level
moja.
Yes. Actually, you even used to know. Why go rather kunu register ni agitagu. Yeto matuko eri ataturi. Na mundu ndaroneka ori nyu mwacho kagia. Kaigwa Mase Muthoni. Mase Muthoni. Alienda academy.
Alienda huko kwa mapesa.
Alienda kwa matanjili. Na mjue masomo ya huko ndio hiyo iko wapi?
Hapa.
Yes. Na mga samirwo. No kwa academy cia academy riu ciokoro guori. They would have a glamorous uniform.
Of course.
Are we together?
Matiaga na uniform thitiriru.
Yes.
Tacia polling station.
Yes. They would escape the traditional green and yellow.
Yes.
Yes.
Na kwaja mukiri ni wale hoa na wa forest.
Na yellow. Ayago ikoni mata. He's still there. Actually, even Kahuya girls, I think they still wear that. If they did not, I'm not sure they changed.
No, mashukuru maigio mothe ni macenjetie uniform thutha uyu.
Yes.
That's like 7 years.
Yes.
Most have transformed.
Kwaja kiria riu kia mugegagia ni. Tondu academy cio thutha uyu. Mukagega mukona ati riu kamwana getagwo cege. Karathire academy. Mama kihinga o kana mubuto.
No, ni mwagaga.
No, ukarigwo kai mwana atuika ithe.
Ukarigwo mathoma na mifuto primary.
Na igoti. Bureza.
Na thogithi cia thukuru.
Na 6. Na kiratu kira getagwo big shoe. Ona wagitenda ko imagine andu acio ni matherukagirio mabuku makanyua thubu. Wagithomo
akoragwo academy.
Academy. Ando academy stiajiri egecagithĩinĩ
Aca tigĩini
stiajiri mataũni-inĩ
cianjirie rĩu mataũni ma sub county.
Yes. What agoka mũkerwo atĩrĩrĩ, you see visiting ya academy rĩ nĩ yatumagĩrĩrwo mũno nĩ curious
on Lucas.
They would offer themselves to accompany that family who was a VIP at the academy. Muthenya wa visiting
A VIP pupil.
Yes. Mugathi nyo the academy.
Nĩ ũkĩharĩria Saturday.
Yes.
Nyina Jairo nĩ mathi kuona Jairo.
Oh, yes.
Academy na thomagĩra Nyĩrĩ.
Ugathi mũciĩ mami. Mami no tuthie Saturday visiting ya sege. Na tũraigua nĩ mami wao no tũkuo na ngari. Nĩ makagĩrwo nĩ mama wao wa kũrĩa ũguo nderi. Marauga mena itĩ. Asa mami na pick up nĩ tũgaikara na thutha. Twenda gũthi kuona kũu.
Kaboku ĩrwo karaĩ ka bikabu.
Na urĩrwo ngoro kwĩ mbura. No wone academy
ĩyo ĩragwo.
Mũgakinya kũu. Yes. You see ndũrĩ woike mũka na your fellow polling station. Returning officers.
Fellow voters.
I report from my hair from that theater from K.
That boy. Inyuĩ that boy.
Mwecukuru ĩrĩa yokagĩra mohiki maitonga. Nani hea itoka parking kũrĩ ũndũ renji.
Kiwanja kĩayo rĩ.
Yes.
Is communal.
Yes, it's communal land. Na kuana kimenyano. Mwaikinya academy. Mukaba mwakora kwina gate. Irahigwo.
Na soja.
Ona tio mwe. Mukali kwa tiriri. Niko ja academy cia jiro ugu cia regia na kaburo. Most of them are very the what meets the eye. Kuna kaburo manga ima.
Mani kwina nginya mũrangerira hingũragĩra andũ ngĩti-inĩ.
Yes, nginya mũraihuria ibuku.
Hiu nginya mũtio kaburo nĩ ndũ mũrauga nĩ gũthiminde.
Nĩ gũthiminde kwenda nginya rami ngai.
Mũtio kaburo.
Kwenda rami ngai. Ukihana kanitha thĩinĩ. Mukagera mukona ati mũrutwo ri marathondekaga picnic site nĩ gũkuĩtwo irio maika thĩ makarĩa maũndũ inyuĩ muonaga kwĩna ũhiki rũgongo
ukona kwendu maciarĩirwo na ngari ukariu karĩ ciana cia
wacoka mũkonia na rĩu mbogi yaku tatĩrĩrĩ caira ngai Gũkũ ũtarakĩario Gĩkũyũ mano ithũngũ ngai.
Nĩ mathũngũ.
Kwanja rĩu mũkega ũkora atĩ nginya rĩu arutwo a kũu rĩ they've been given roles during that day cia kũngaidia ciani atĩ maigĩirwo roka hau nĩo mara register. Mũkarigwo ĩkaĩcaga wa rũgongo rwa kwanyu ũkire Nairobi.
Kaĩ gũkũ arĩ kũ?
Ũkaigua excuse me, how are you? How is your day? You are the parent for? Abana Shege.
Class?
Which class? Oh, class 7. 7? Green. Mũkaigua rĩu kũndũ nginya irathi itiretanio na irĩma.
Kwanyu irathi ciĩtanagio na compass east west.
Yes.
North south.
Na physical future. Kilimanjaro. Rongonot.
Na mulima.
Kwanyu irathi ciretanio na Wakaguku. Mukaigua na nĩ ciana hĩndĩ ĩyo cia rika rĩanyu mũkamaka mũno mũkarigwo no how retarded are you.
Ukamba ũkarigwo ciana icio mararuta kũ ũcamba wa kũria ciari ciũria.
The confidence na raina mũkogwa kandĩka na akamũrora. Ukaigua Chantel, excuse me Chantel, you will take this parent to where the parents of Seven Green are and make sure they interact with their interact.
Ndio yaku kuona na kanua.
Yes. Ginya leo keke mwemoki anakio store awiri. Store awe mweri. Audozo ukamutura. Ukamugia hakiri. Mwai toka kamulia teri. Sesame. Nyinyi ni walimu. Aeronautical class 5. Na kioke iti. Alekirete hurana.
Fai.
Kwaje no mwaya muno. Sege wanyu ore mwamu. Biston. He's interacting in English.
Hokariwo he
yatiriri kakundugo kwando meke go deliverance
uzio nisege uraturekia githungu
kaisege taigwe era mundu run as fast as a deer mwatora muinagira musiari mutwaro
academy
yes kujo kora segete na kagoti na tai na movuto na kiratu
tai
mwaso kero mugaserio haria komaga mukona etakomaga muranga mukawa
ere mwakirikia kule ari mwagetwaro to around the school wakene icio dormitories ici ne icio bathrooms what have you irathi
exactly
ukamaka
indu ukugega okerwa tiriri uko niko shower cubicle ati ni shower cubicle cia domu eno itu. This is where we take our showers.
Mwithambagira guku o mundu yake
mukarigwa atiriri we nduri wethamba na mai marauma na iguru tiga mbura. The water always comes from below you. Muka we hai
ni mathi ni igire
mwesuka kwaje ru muka ga atiriri ati kwina school bus primary
yao
inu no muthi o school cia rogo nyinge primary ithie school ba
very many
yes
ona iria ire nini muno
yes mutiage gaga mwakora nginya primary ina moto iraguo ne ciana yakura mainukaga mukihoyagira muthee wanyu agathuko matonge
yagia bia
mutwaro academy ona inyu
muthomagere kuona inyui
wena twatwaro academy ne twatwika magathi na ihenya muno
very fast
yes na kajia kuona riu mehoni ya rogo
akambiaga nui na iri tunaheka undu mamenya githungu na ruo gukira boys out na karuga wega
boys out nduri miru menyerete kuga hihi segenia o convert boys out ya thomire kabuku karia kawe ruta guthoma gikuyu yes OS ya boys out
Segera he iteteri
operating system ya boys out come upgrade version ire
it was a task
edit ona segesi wanyu ni nyu muonaga akimugegia no ari akora ku baro marona
but he is still rudimentary no hari inyuire
you muona he came from an level.
Now he is somewhere.
He can utter a few English words. That is enough to their mouths agape.
Riu kwaje mwaga gapio mwaigwa sege banyu ati arathire ku ukigaranio kia mbere kiria mekire
yes
tiwe warigirie
no menyerete corona hoguo ahetoka ke mwana kimwe kikiro arithagia kwina gigaranio it was very rare kuigwa te Burtonia the transfer
kwaja primary
you would see the same faces for a good 10 years
andora mwajania nao na athari
yes
ni wamenyaga gutagia mundu ugu athie acokere kirathi kimwe
kana kirege auge tikio okay
Kaya thĩinĩ.
Auga tikio mbari.
No, you are going to see those faces for 9 good years.
Yes. And you are going to see them at school and at home.
Life was very monotonous.
Waje muigwete ate sege academy okarathire ri kwina njaruo baruia ikamba githi
ni atukanu
na mukerwa atiriri guku iko icio mwiarithagia guku itinge mutiri ni mwirute githungu
all in all tukapatana Nairobi.
Yes. You get a more wake view. Yes. It's a.
Tuge Cemania Nairobi.
Oko. Na mwa academy tukimandika.
Ni life.
Hey, odo you academy no how.
Academy cio kari.
Kwaje nwe nyingi cia koriri. Uniform ya korora ngui wa microphone ino. Mutune. Na kahwa. Tuige tukwaja. Ai. Ona muthite drama moigwa ni academy rapa fo makimenya ni andikire mwarimu. Inyo muraothira creativity ya unduire wanyu.
Ni mwamenya you have minimal chances.
Yes. Inyo muraothira literature kire mwafundithirio ni jogu.
Ola ni mamudagia Swisi. Kennedy githienda gikatha dhahabla limited number ya murengine 0707 177 177 ningino macerero wabici ciao kuria Roiro dhahabu guitars na Thika and Plaza mwaraniria nigetha umenyero kugira buroti kuria Malindi okura buroti ya 50 by 100 thino wa Zani phase 5 Malindi manaenderia 70,000 shillings safari
gachaguari na tirigiji chagu akura kwa green. Yes aragwa ni mathiete uguo curiosity mufosete guthie visiting ya kamwana mathomana kwa area academy ati ni ari tuheirwo ni guthie bata thie kamutitho kahoreru tondu this is yak phrase ri
dacio
Edio ado manu kamotito
Cemania